how many people were part of your team?
35.
So you're telling me 35 dudes can roll up, let's call it a village,
Yeah.
a house, whatever it might be.
You won't hear
And
nothing.
y'all, excuse me?
You won't hear nothing.
Y'all are that quiet, that
Yeah.
stealth.
Yeah.
Yo, come on, Nick.
You won't hear nothing. Either they were playing sleep, but no one woke up. We're pretty good.
Damn.
You got soft tennis shoes, boots, but yeah, our dogs don't bark. Their dogs bark, but they bark all the time. And sometimes my job would be to silence those dogs that are barking, being like their early warning system. I would silence those dogs, but you don't hear anything.